Right, today we're going to make our lunch. We're going to make a really light summer salad, and it's going to be really super quick. We're going to use a mixture of lettuce leaves. You can use whatever you like, but I've got Lolo. I've got 2 different types of Lolo, and I've got Baby Gem, and I've just whipped them up, and I've given them a really good wash in cold water to make sure they're clean, and the cold water keeps them really crunchy. We're going to use some fresh beetroot, which I've diced, some red pepper that I've chopped up and diced, some carrots that I've just made into little circles, some red onion rings, some feta cheese and some melon. And then we're going to make a lovely dressing with the juice of a lemon, a little spoonful of honey and some olive oil. We're going to put all the ingredients into our salad bowl and make it look really presentable and delicious. So that looks really pretty, and I think anyone would like to eat that, but what we're going to do is we're going to make a very quick dressing now to put on top of that. I'm going to squeeze the lemon and put the juice into a glass and mix it with olive oil and honey, and then give it a mix, and then we can dress our salad. My lovely dressing over my salad, and then it's ready to serve. What salad are you going to make this week? This is a lovely light salad, and the lemonade we made last week would be a lovely refreshing drink to go with it. Enjoy your lunch.